I must be crazy that I'm uploading twice in one day, but that's because I am fed up reviewing the racing tractors. Just imagine if they released the no-stall, tank coat and the combustor tractor. I'll be here for at least another 2 days reviewing tractors, and I'm getting very bored of them. Don't get me wrong, I love the tractors, but reviewing them all day after day by day by day by day, is kind of getting boring. Anyways, that's enough of memes, enough of jokes on this channel. Let's take a close look at the Clutch Aid Racing Tractor that was officially released from Mattel. This is the Thailand version. We'll take a close look at the factory custom one in a little bit. There is a Disney Store version of him, which I sadly do not have. I'll add an image on the side of your screen of what that does look like. I'll also add an image on this left hand side of your screen, so remember what the timestamps are of where he appeared in the movie in Cars 3 during Cruiser's Daydream, which is, of course, where all the tractors appear. So yeah, let's get into the review. He has a nice smiling expression like all the tractors do. He has the stack like all the tractors do. He's got, of course, the usual, bits on the side like all the tractors do. I think you get the point. The only thing that's really different apart from the paint scheme is, of course, the eye expression. Clutch Aid, the C plus Aid. We can see the C logo plus logo and the minus logo, which means C plus Clutch Aid, basically. We can see Clutch Aid, the engine on the inside there, with the arrow to indicate to the pity where to lift up the tractor. Yeah, that makes sense. We've also got the lime green tyres, which look pretty cool. Like, yeah, of course, 121 on the top with a bunch of plus symbols. On the back, we have the rookie racing stripes, which is accurate. Very nice. Pretty cool. And of course, here is the base. You can see the others, P16A, made in the A factory. Still never seen a car made in the B factory. It does exist, there is a few out there, but still never seen any. Now here is the factory custom, which was revealed or released to us around October, December time, November time of 2023. Completely skipped out November. Yep, we can see the expression is roughly the same, just doesn't have the plastic eyepiece. As you can see, no smiling expression, which is what I do like about the factory custom tractors. There is no detail on the stack, as you can see. Nice detail I like is the light year tyres. I can get my camera to focus. The colour of the green is way different. And of course the rookie racing stripes will be a darker orange compared to the official release. Oh wow, the difference on the factory custom is way different. The factory custom is also way much lighter than the official Mattel release. And of course here is the base. Wow, 3 minutes. Wow, this is a long review. Comment down below which is your favourite factory custom tractor. I have reviewed all 3 of them now. We've got the Easy Idle, we've got the Rev and Go and the Clutch Aid. I do like the Rev and Go one still. Still one of my favourites. Can't forget to show off Noah Go Check, which doesn't make any sense whatsoever to match the tractor. The one that matches the tractor more is Dino Draftsky, so it's a bit like Dino's front and Noah Go Check's back to make the tractor accurate, I guess. Weird combination. I don't know why the tractor's blue and not more blue-green. I don't know. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments below. I do also have the Disney Store one of Noah Go Check, which I was the first ever person to review, if you guys remember that. And just for laughs and giggles, here's the metallic Dino Draftsky. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification button down below. 4 minutes is about as long as my torch lasts on this phone. We'll be getting a new phone soon. Video quality will be better. So, of course, until the next video, peace, everybody. There's one thing that I've forgotten, isn't there? That's the mini racer tractor. I'll take you to it now. Let's go check out the mini racer version. I do have the mini racer version of the Clutch Aid tractor, which is down there. Don't know why I forgot to show that one off, but I still did, so you can't complain about that in the comments. Anyways, guys, until the next video, which will be tomorrow. Peace, everybody.